Assalamualaikum students. Hope so by the grace of Allah you all are fine. Students, in today's lecture we will start our unit number 9, that is linear equations, and we will start from our first topic, that is about algebraic equations. You can see here is the definition of algebraic equations. That is, an algebraic equation is a statement that expresses a relationship of equality between two or more expressions. Students, ऐसी स्टेटमेंट जिसमें दो या दो से ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेशंस को एक रिलेशनशिप ऑफ इक्वलिटी के साथ एक्सप्रेस किया जाए, देन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड algebraic equations. Here you can see at page number 134 that an algebraic equations can be true or false. Algebraic equation ट्रू भी हो सकती है और फॉल्स भी हो सकती है. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन द वैल्यू असाइन टू द वेरिएबल्स इन द एक्सप्रेशन. ये डिपेंड करता है कि वेरिएबल्स को जो वैल्यूज असाइन की गई हैं. लाइक यू कैन सी हेयर इन अरिथमेटिक द स्टेटमेंट 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 implies that when 2 is subtracted from 7 the result is 5. Students, but in algebra the equation x minus y is equal to z implies that when a number represented by y is subtracted from a number represented by x, then the result is the number represented by z. That means some values are assigned to x, y and z. Here the equation x minus y is equal to z. X, y and z can have infinite values, negative or positive, other than 0. For example, part number 1, if x is equal to 7, if x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2, then by subtracting both of the values 7 minus 2 gives the answer 5. It means the values 7 and 2 are assigned to x and y and gives the answer 5. The 5 number is assigned to the alphabet z. Now in algebra, the expression a over b is equal to c, or b is dividing here, b will be multiplied here. So the equation or expression should also be written as a is equal to b multiplied by c. That indicates that if the value of b is equal to 2, if the number 2 is assigned to alphabet b and also c is equal to 3, then the answer will be b multiplied by c means 2 multiplied by 3, 6, which shows a is equal to 6, then the value of a will be 6, and so on. Students, remember one thing, that a, b, c and x, y and z are written in alphabetical order. जो अल्फ़ाबेट्स होंगे उन्हें अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में ही लिखना है. और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अबाउट लीनियर अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशंस. Here you can see that if two algebraic expressions are put together with an equal sign in between, they form an equation. Students, अगर कोई से भी दो algebraic expression हैं उनको equal के sign के साथ combine कर दिया जाए, then that will become an equation. So here you can see that the example 5x is equal to 40. The two algebraic expressions and equal sign shows the linear algebraic equation. Now second one is 3a minus b is one algebraic expression and another algebraic expression is 2a plus 1. Both are combined with equal sign. So this is also a linear equation, linear algebraic equation. Here the solution of this equation is a value which can go in place of the variable x in equation number 1. Here you can see that if we have to find the value of x, then 5 is multiplying here, which will divide here. So 5 ones are 5. I am writing here which will divide here. 5 ones are 5 and 5 8s are 40. It means if we remove 5 from here, then the answer will be x is equal to 8. So we can easily find the assigned value of the given variable by this method. Students, understood part number 2 by yourself. Now students, here is a note at page number 137. Students, like in this diagram you can see that some weight are mentioned. अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हुए अगर हम उससे डायग्रामेटिक सॉल्व करें, मीन्स अगर वेट को ऐड किया जाए, सो वेट को इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन में लाने के लिए, बैलेंस करने के लिए, टू मेंटेन द इक्विलिब्रियम को मेंटेन करने के लिए, ऐड, टेक अवे, मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड बाय द सेम नंबर टू बोथ द स्केल्स. सो वी विल ऐड, subtract, multiply or divide the same number on the both sides. Students, here remember the 3 points. Point number 1 is a linear equation has variables such as x, y or z or a, b or c raised to the power of 1. Here is the power of the given variables, that is 1 in linear equation. Now part number 2 is there may be several steps involved in solving a linear equation. लीनियर इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए स्टेप्स जो है वो 1 स्टेप, 2 स्टेप्स, 3 स्टेप्स और सेवरल स्टेप्स भी हो सकते हैं. पार्ट नंबर 3, एट एवरी स्टेप द टू साइड्स मस्ट बी बैलेंस्ड. वी शुड हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, add, multiply or divide on both sides of the equation in order to balance the equation. Now let's see an example number 4 at page number 138. You can see here 3b minus 4 is equal to 20. In order to balance the equation or in order to solve it, we should subtract, add, divide or multiply the number on both sides. So first we will add 4 on both sides in order to remove minus 4. So 3b minus 4 plus 4 is here and is equal to 20 plus 4. We added 4 on both sides of the equation. 3b as it is, minus 4 will be cancelled by 4 and 20 plus 4 gives the answer 24. Now we have to find the value of the given variable, that is b. So in order to find the value of given variable, we will divide by 3 on both sides. 3b divided by 3 and 24 divided by 3. We will do same process on both sides of equation. So 3 will be cancelled by the 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, b is as it is, and 3 8s are 24, gives the answer 8. It means the value of b is 8. That is the answer. Now students, here you can see that the equation is 2x plus 4 is equal to 18. Here the exponent of the variable x is 1. The variable x is here and its exponent is 1. Therefore 2x plus 4 is equal to 18 is a linear equation. So linear equations are known as first degree equations. Linear equations are also known as first degree equation only in the case where the variable has exponent 1. Now let's start our exercise 9 and question number 1, that is write an equation for each of the following statements. Number 1 is a number increased by 5 is 12. Here you can see that students, part number 1, a number increased by 5 is 12. First of all, let a number is equal to x. Increased by 5 means 5 will add to the number. So x is a number that we have left. X plus 5 is 12, which is equal to 12. A number increased by 5, a number that we have left, that is x, increased by 5 is 12. Now part number 2 is, here you can see that the part number 2, twice a number decreased by 3 is 15. So again we let a number as x, or twice a number means 2x. Decreased by 3, it shows 3 is subtracting from 2x is 15 is equal to 15. Twice a number 2x decreased by 3 minus 3 is equal to 15. Next one is part number 3, 6 less than 4 times a number is 30. Again we let the number as x. So 6 less than 4 times a number, first we will write 4 times a number. 4 times a number means 4x. Here you can see that 4x, and 6 less than means 6 is subtracting from 4x, which is equal to 30. So 6 less than 4 times 6 less than 4 times a number, that is x, is equal to 30. Fourth one is 1/5 of a number added to 6 is 10. So again we let the number x, and 1/5 means 1/5 of a number means 1 by 5x. So 1 by 5x means x by 5. X by 5 added to 6. So plus 6 is added is 10, which is equal to 10. 1/5 of a number x over 5 added to 6 plus 6 is 10 is equal to 10. Now part number 5 is 2/3 of a number subtracted from 8 is 4. Again we let the number x, and 2/3 of a number means 2 by 3x, as we have let the x as a number. So 2 by 3x subtracted from 8. 2 by 3x is subtracting from 8, so 8 minus 2 over 3x is 4 is equal to 4. Again 2/3 of a number, subtracted from 8 is equal to 4. 6/1 is the quotient of a number when divided by 3 and added to 4 result in 7. The quotient of a number again is equal to x when divided by 3, x when divided by 3 and added to 4, and 4 is also added here, result in 7, which is equal to 7. The quotient of a number when divided by 3, x over 3 when added to 4, result in 7. So result is equal to 7. 7th one is the sum of two consecutive odd number is 12. Here is the solution that you can see that x plus 2 means two consecutive number and also the sum of two consecutive odd numbers. So here is the difference of 2 in order to show the another consecutive odd number, which is equal to 12. Now 8th one is, in 12 years Amin will be 4 times as old as he is now. So in this question Amin is 12 years. 12 years means after 12 years, let the age of Amin is x. So after 12 years Amin will be 4 times as old as he is now. It means x plus 12 is equal to 4x is the equation. Next one is question number 2. Solve the following equations. Part number 1 and 2 is in your homework. Let's move towards the part number 3, that is 5x plus 7 is equal to 2 into x plus 2. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हम इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे और हमने इसमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल x. So we will simplify it as 5x plus 7 is equal to 2 round bracket x plus 2 round bracket. So 2 is multiplying to both of the inner values. 2 will multiply to x gives the answer 2x, and 2 is also multiplying to 2 and gives the answer 4. It means 5x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 4. Now in next step we will arrange the values with the variable x on one side and without x on another side. So 5x minus 2x, 2 is adding here, so here will be subtracted. 5x minus 2x, 7 is adding here, it will subtract here 4 minus 7. Now 5 minus 2x gives the answer 3x and 4 minus 7 gives the answer minus 3. 3 is multiplying here. At another side it will get divided. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, x is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Now part number 4 is in your homework and part number 5 also is in your homework. Now students, move towards the part number 6, that is 3 into t minus 1 minus 2 into 2t plus 3 is equal to 5 into t plus 3. Here you can see the solution, that is students यहाँ पे 3 both inner values से multiply होगा. That means 3 is multiplying to t gives the answer 3t, and 3 is also multiplying to 1 gives the answer 3. 3 1s are 3 and minus 7 will get as it is. Now minus 2 is multiplying both of the inner values. Minus 2 will be multiplied to 2t gives the answer minus 4t, and also minus 2 will be multiplied to 3 gives the answer 2 3s are 6 minus 6. as minus sign की वजह से जो inner sign है वो change हो जाएंगे. Minus plus get minus. Now 5 is multiplying to t gives the answer 5t, and 5 is also multiplying to 3 gives the answer 5 3s are 15 plus sign as it is. Now 3t minus 4t, both of the values 3t and 4t gives the answer minus t, and minus 3 and minus 6 gives the answer minus 9. 5t plus 15 as it is. Now we will arrange the values. The values with the variable t is at one side and without t is another side. So 5t will be subtracted here and minus 9 will get added at another side. Minus t minus 5t gives the answer minus 60, and 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. Now minus 6 is multiplying here at another side. Minus 6 will get divided. 24 divided by minus 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. So minus 4 is our required answer, that is the value of t. 7th one is 14 into 2t minus 3 minus 2 into t plus 2 is equal to 10 into 3t minus 4. So again we will simplify the equation and also we get the value of t. Here you can see that 14 is multiplying to 2t, 14 2s are 28 and t as it is. Now again 14 will multiply to 3, 14 3s are 42 and minus sign is as it is. Now minus 2 is multiplying to t, the answer is minus 2t, and minus 2 will multiply to 2 gives the answer minus, plus minus 2 2s are 4. Again 10 is multiplying to 3t, 10 3s are 30 and t as it is, and 10 will multiply to 4 gives the answer 40 and minus sign as it is. Again we will solve it as 28t minus 2t, 28t and minus 2t gives the answer 26t, minus 42 and minus 4 gives the answer minus 46, 30t minus 40 as it is. Now we will arrange the values. 26t as it is and 30t will subtract here, minus 46 will get add another side. Now 26t minus 30t gives the answer minus 40, minus 40 plus 46 is equal to 6. Minus 4 is multiplying here at the right hand side, it will get divide, 6 divided by minus 4. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 is the value of t and it is our required answer. Next part number 8 is 3x by 4 minus 5 is equal to 2x. Here is the solution. 3x by 4 minus 5 is equal to 2x. We will multiply by 4 on both sides. So 4 is multiplying to the whole value, that is 3x by 4 minus 5 is equal to 4 is multiplied to 2x. Now 4 is multiplying to both of the inner values. 4 is multiplying to 3x by 4 as 4 multiply 3x by 4, and 4 is also multiplying to minus 5. 4 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 4 2s are 8 and 8x. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 3x as it is, minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 8x. Now we will move 20 at right hand side and 8x at left hand side. So 3x minus 8x is equal to 20. By subtracting, answer is minus 5x and 20 as it is. Minus 5 is multiplying here at the right hand side, it will divide. 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So minus 4 is the answer of x. The value of x is equal to minus 4 and that is our required answer. The students learn important points and definitions of unit number 9 and also do practice of question number 1 and 2 and also do homework of question number 2 part number 1, 2 and 4 and 5. Okay, stay home, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.